Class 9th Biology Chapter 1 The Fundamental Unit of Life. As we all know, cell is the fundamental unit of life and its definition is the structural and functional unit of life is known as cell. It was discovered in 1665 by Robert Hooke. He discovered dead cell from a bark of a tree. And then in 1674, Antony von Leeuwenhoek discovered living cell. Cell theory. There are mainly 3 points in cell theory. First, every living organism is made up of one or more than one cell. Second, cell is the basic unit of life. Third, all cells develop from pre-existing cells. The largest cell in the world is ostrich egg, which is 15 centimeter big, and the smallest cell is PPLO, which is between 0.1 to 0.5 nanometers small. There are mainly two types of organisms, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms, the organisms which are made up of only one cell, are known as unicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms, the organisms that are made up of more than one cell, are known as multicellular organisms. There are two types of cell based on nucleus, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells have either no nucleus or a primitive nucleus, and eukaryotic cells have a well developed nucleus. Prokaryotic cells have plastid, eukaryotic cells have no plastid. And prokaryotic cells have 70s ribosome and eukaryotic cells have 80s ribosome. In general, eukaryotic cells are evolved form of prokaryotic cells. Plant cell versus animal cell. Plant cells are larger than animal cells. Plant cells have cell wall while animal cells do not have cell wall. Plant cells have plastid, animal cells do not have plastid. Plant cells are mostly in regular shape, animal cells are in irregular shape. Plant cells have a very large vacuole, animal cells have very small vacuole with compared to plant cells. Cell membrane. It is also known as plasma membrane. Its outermost covering of a cell. It is made up of phospholipid, carbohydrates, protein, oligosaccharides, and cholesterol. There are mainly four types of cell membrane: impermeable, permeable, semi-permeable, selectively permeable. Impermeable. The membrane which allow no particles to enter inside the cell are known as impermeable membrane. Permeable membrane. The membrane which allow every particles to enter inside the cell are known as permeable membrane. Semi-permeable. The membranes which allow only some particles to enter and restrict some from entering are known as semi-permeable membranes. Selective permeable membrane. The membrane which allow only selected particles to enter inside the cell and not others are known as selectively permeable membranes. Mainly there are two types of processes in permeability: physical process and biological process. Physical processes are slow, they do not require energy and they do not use carrier proteins. Biological process. Biological processes are fast, they require energy and they also use carrier proteins. Diffusion versus osmosis. Diffusion. The process in which a substance spreads uniformly in other substance is known as diffusion. In diffusion, the particles goes from high concentration to low concentration. Osmosis. Movement from lower concentration to higher concentration is known as osmosis. There are three types of solutions: isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic. Isotonic. The solution in which the concentration of solute and solvent are equal to each other. Hypotonic. Hypotonic in which the concentration of solute is greater than concentration of solvent. Hypertonic. The solution in which the concentration of solute is greater than the concentration of solvent. Cell wall. It is outermost covering of cell in plants. It's rigid. It determines shape of the cell. It prevents cells from drying. It protects plasma membrane and it also provides technical support to the cell. Mechanical support. Nucleus. It was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. It is large, round, thick structure found in cytoplasm. It is also known as headquarters of the cell. It controls every part of the cell and every function performed inside a cell. Chromosome. A thread-like structure in which DNA is stored. It was discovered by Valdeir in 1888. Mitochondria, rod-shaped cell in cytoplasm. It is also known as powerhouse of the cell. It is also known as ATP mill. It is responsible for energy production in the cell. Plastid, it is the double membrane bound organelle of the cell. It is largest organelle of the cell and it is made up of two parts, grana and stroma. There are three types of plastid: chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast. Chloroplast, it is the green plastid which contains chlorophyll. Leucoplast, it is the plastid which stores food in form of starch, protein and lipids. Chromoplast, it is the multicolored plastid in which is present in flowers and fruits to give them color. Thank you. That's all for this video.